Going for the opening of the Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights Pro. We got a 200-foot section, and we also got it in the white just because it will blend in with our house a little bit better. So I'll pop open this and get this unboxed and see what we got here. Oh, very nice packaging. First thing we're going to come across is our user manuals and our master guide or matter guide cards. So these we'll get into a little bit later once we're ready to get everything set up. Our quick start reference guide. Keep that handy, you probably will need it. First thing we're going to crack into is the accessory kit. Let's see what kind of accessories they have gotten this year. Try to figure out how to open up the box. There we go. Right. Accessory pack. There is our quick connects, which I am surprised they do have more than what they were showing online. I'm seeing a total of 8, looks like, so but they are going to be different, so but that is nice if you need to do some extra splice work. Alright, and then we've got our LED drive switching power supply with your on-off button. Makes it kind of handy. What is this one? This is what they call the driver module. And we got our extensions, which we got two long ones in there and 2 shorts. So nice. Let's see here. Also have, you can see it very well, wire clips mount with a screw if you're going to be mounting on permanently. Got our 3M adhesives, a handful of those, so that will be nice when we get into it. And we got another mystery pack. Let's see what's included in here. Extra hardware mounting stud if you're mounting it up, your driver modules and power supplies. I'll keep that one handy as well. So there's our nice accessory pack, so that will definitely do. Scoot that to the side. Again, and open up our first strand of lights. Looks like nicely secured packaging. Surprise, surprise, they already have some 3M tabs already attached to them. So I guess the other accessory pack is just for spares. So, but I will be using those, and I will be hard mounting them as well, because I do not want to have to go back and replace any 3M adhesives on there. Now we also got, with the Pro, you got the multiple LEDs for brighter colors and just brighter whites overall. But so far we got three sections in that, which I believe that would make them what, 15 feet a piece, maybe 16. Don't know. My math ain't good. But we will get back with that. We got our other 3 boxes containing our other lights. And guess the best part is probably going to be next. You get to watch me up on a ladder attempting to put these in without falling off. So we will continue on from there.